isasama namin kayo sa aming trip. Mag-vlog tayo papunta sa west coast of Ireland. Kahit na maulan, alam mo yung kahit maulan siya, kahit gloomy yung weather, ang ganda pa rin. So guys, ito ang aming campsite.
Look, the sea now is blue. Wow, so nice.
Wow! Kasi ang ganda ng view. I cannot get over. Ha? Huh? Video. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Magpa-vlog tayo. Try tayo mag-vlog. Brain fuck. Try tayo mag-brain fuck. So for today's video guys, isasama namin kayo sa aming trip. Magpa-vlog tayo papunta sa west coast of Ireland, sa County Mayo, sa isang place called Achill Island. Pero guys, today is really rainy. Hindi siya magandang weather para mag-beach. Pero pumunta tayo sa one of the most beautiful beaches dito sa Ireland, or pinakamagandang beach dito sa Ireland. Yun nga lang, unfortunately, it's raining.
I will be the last to leave.
Grabe, zero visibility. Parang winter. Summer dito sa Ireland ngayon. Grabe, no? So kaya kami tumuloy.
I knew we were on borrowed time.
Ayun, no? Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Ito yung beach, ang ganda. Wow. Wow.
I fell into
Ang ganda ng view guys.
and as far as at least how I remember.
Okay guys, nandito na. May bagyo! Ha? Say hi. The best beach in Ireland. Yan. Ito yung the best beach in Ireland. Kaso, hindi tayo pinalad sa weather. So, mamaya daw aaraw mga, I don't know, 2 or 3 o'clock. So, hopefully mag-clear up yung weather and then makapag-swimming tayo dito sa beach. So, i-walk lang muna namin si Charlie and sila. Ito, si Charlie din yan. Meron din siyang raincoat. Yan. Sana mag-clear yung weather guys para ma-enjoy namin. Ang original plan namin is magka-camp kami dito. Yan dito mismo. Pero kasi walang shower. Walang shower. Pero imagine, no? You're gonna wake up dito sa view na to. Wow.
See you standing by the door, watching the leaves as they fall once more. And the silence we made, I couldn't find the words to say. They linger in my
Marami naman palang parking lot. So pagpunta tayo dito, yung parking space, agahan lang siguro dapat. Lalo ako na sana din kasi baka mauusad kayo.
and as far as at least how I remember.
Ganda dito. Kahit na maulan, alam mo yung kahit maulan siya, kahit gloomy yung weather, ang ganda pa rin. What more kung sobrang araw, no? Kung sobrang sunny. Nagla-live tayo. Hello kay from Christchurch, New Zealand. Hello Nick, Jello. Hello kay Jello, Sir Boy, sample ka na sentence. Alam mo, hindi talaga marunong mag-Irish accent. Medyo na-clear na yung yung sky. Hindi na siya masyadong cloudy kagaya kanina. So guys, yung campsite na pupunta namin is 20 minutes drive from the Kim Beach or Kim Bay. So malapit lang. So siguro kami ng tent doon. Tapos balik kami sa beach pag maaraw. Kung trip namin mag-swimming, pwede kami mag-swim mamaya.
You have arrived at Achill Seal Caves
Ayan,
Caravan
Seal
and
Caves.
Camping Park.
Guys, papunta na kami sa may dito kasi sa may designated area kung saan ka pwede mag pitch ng tent. So, punta kami doon.
Taas pa pala. I think it's there. Hindi na ito eh.
Okay. So guys, ito ang aming campsite. So punta kami dun sa designated na pitch para set up ng tent. Ito yung itsura. Ito yung friends. Vlog. Ha? Good spot. Good job.
And then they said it's nice to fish there.
Ito ang palang tent namin guys is nabili namin sa Regatta. Kivu 3. Luma na to. Lumang version na. Magkano yung bilhin nyo sa tent nyo? 115. 3 person. Ayan o. Ito 115 euros. Sa nabili nila sa Decathlon. Keshwa yung brand. Keshwa. Nice. It's bigger. Guys, habang nagsiset up si Jonald ng tent, pakita ko sa inyo yung campsite. So, ito yung itsura ng campsite. Ganda kasi overlooking yung bundok. Tapos, nandun yung beach. Tapos, ito yung mga camper vans and mga, ano ba tawag dito? Mobile home? Ayan. Tapos, nandun yung CR, saka yung shower. Guys, ganun na siya. Mag-inflate na ng... Pakita mo yung dala natin pang-inflate ng Ito nabili lang namin sa may Harvey Norman. Pang vacuum to, tapos pwede rin siyang pang-inflate. Dual purpose. Nice. Stay there. Ayan na si Charlie. May sarili siyang bed na dala-dala. Yung car seat niya, yun na rin yung bed niya. Itong camping namin na to, mas maayos yung setup compared dun sa camping namin sa West Cork, sa Cape Clear. Kasi mas organized, tas may bed kami, mas comfy. Ayan na. Look. Tapos nagluto sila ang mga friends ng Calderera. And then kami nagdala ng kanin. Okay guys, umaraw na at long last. Sobrang glorious na ang day. Lovely na. Nakapag-recharge na kami. Nag-nap ng konti, pahinga. Tapos ngayon babalik na kami dun sa Kim Bay, dun sa beach kaninang umaga. Kasi sobrang ganda na ng weather.
Hello guys. How are we?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi!
Taking over the vlog.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey dog.
Gab cam.
Oh, there's a camera in the front as well. Not so bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just record.
Kim Beach, diba?
Guys, we're heading to Kim Beach. Let's go.
Are you practicing
Yeah, I'm practicing.
for your Why is he waving around? Wow, look at that.
Car park.
Ah, car parks. Expect delays. Wow.
Alright, we got in spot.
Maybe we just go here, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the sea now. It's blue.
Wow.
That's so nice.
Wow.
Ooh, look at that.
Good. Picture muna mga guys. 1, 2, 3, Hi, Luna! Hi! Lovely. Isang ganda ng view. I cannot get over. Huh? I can't get over the view. Look. Wow. That's the most beautiful beach in Ireland. Beautiful?
That's amazing. Sorry.
What can you say? Anong atake?
Ibang atake.
Video.
Okay.
Ibang atake.
Sobrang ganda
360.
dito. Kasi, kaya yung sand. And it doesn't feel like you're in Ireland.
Ganda, no?
Sobrang.
Wow.
Tapos yung paligid yun, ang daming mountains.
Wow.
Diba? Ibang atake.
It's good! Tama ka na. Kimbe! Welcome to Ireland! Welcome to Kimbe! Bye, Kimbe.
Bye, Kim Beach.
Kim Beach. Guys, itong binabasa ko ngayon, Automatic Millionaire by David Bach or David Bach. May nag-recommend lang na subscriber. Siya naman, ang nilalaro niya ay
Pokemon Pocopia.
Pokemon Pocopia. Si Charlie kakatapos lang kumain, so yun siya.
Hotdog.
Ito na ang aming dinner. What is this?
Sweet and spicy cheese.
Parang
And hamon.
parang cheese whiz.
Ito na ang dinner namin po Ang sarap.
Maybe just basic.
It's actually nice. The hot dog is nice.
Smells good.
Charlie, turn around. Turn around. Here, wait. Wait. Pasok mo na siya sa loob. Good night.
Should I?
Good morning. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. And I'm just looking at the sunrise. Ako yata pinakauna-una nagising. It's 6 a.m. Sobrang tahimik pa ng lugar. Magsi-CR lang kasi ako dahil naiihi na ako. Tapos, gusto ko lang mag-walk habang wala pang tao. Kasi tulog pa yung mga tao. So, hindi tayo masyadong magsasalita. Guys, may mutapon na pa yata ako. Wala siyang mini village. Sobrang cute niya, guys. Tapos dito yung CR sa yung shower room. Ang lamig dito sa labas. Ano siya? 9 degrees. Isa pang nalimutan ko is yung bonnet. Usually pag nagka-camping, dapat pala may dalang bonnet. Kasi every morning ang daming sheep. Ang daming sheep po. Nakakalat lang sila. Ang ganda ng araw. Blessed tayo ngayon kasi hindi umuulan. So, basta clear yung basta walang ulan. Happy na tayo dyan. Good morning. Good morning. So, we're currently nag-iinit kami ng tubig for coffee and for pancit canton. Ito ang ating master chef. Tcharan! Pancit canton at itlog and mackerel for breakfast. prepare na tayo umuwi. Tapos na ating mini vakasyon. So wala naman check-out time na, pero gusto kasi namin umuwi na maaga.
You can take shots and put on your video. Folding back the tent.
So, dito na natin tatapusin ang vlog. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo. Let me know kung nagustuhan nyo itong ganitong klaseng weekend getaway. Kung gusto nyo rin ba mag-camping or ano ba kayo? Ma-hotel ba kayo or whatever, ma-restaurant. So, itong trip namin is budget trip lang. Magkano nagastos nyo? How much did you spend for this trip? For you too.
Less than 100.
Hello guys, pauwi na tayo ngayon back to Limerick, County Limerick. So it's another 3.5 hour drive. No, 3 hours and 12 minutes drive papunta dun sa aming county. So sana nagustuhan nyo itong ating quick vacation, quick getaway sa campsite dito sa Achill Island sa County Mayo. Yan, comment doon kayo kung gusto nyo pa makakita ng mga ganitong trips dito sa Ireland. We will definitely do more, especially ngayon kapag magandang weather. So yan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa aking channel for more videos dito sa Ireland. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next videos. Slan! Bye! Bye guys!
Ayun na naman ako, nakagano na naman ako.